Right from the beginning of India Today's agenda-setting coverage on the NEET 2024 exam, we told you that the stench of malpractice was there and couldn't be ignored, it couldn't be denied. Whether or not a paper leak was part of this stench was not clear, but now it is completely clear. We can confirm that a paper leak has in fact happened. Let me take you through the anatomy of this paper leak. The accused in the Bihar NEET paper leak racket have confessed to their crime. India Today has accessed 7 confessionals that have revealed the anatomy of this entire paper leak. Remember, the NEET exam is pan-India, 24 lakh students. What we're talking about is one small part of it in Bihar. Sikandar Prasad is a junior engineer in Danapur. He is believed to be the mastermind in this NEET leak. Sikandar Prasad got access to the NEET question paper in advance. We don't know how he did it though. That's under investigation. 4 NEET aspirants, all students, were called to Patna. A room was booked in a guest house in Patna. Patna, as you know, is the capital city of Bihar. The guest house was booked allegedly through the personal assistant of Tejasvi Yadav, former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and former Chief Minister Lalu Prasad's son. Allegation against him. He's not spoken out about it, though his party has defended him. Aspirants check into the guest house on the 4th of May, the night before the exam. The aspirants are made to memorize the answers to the questions. They've got this leaked NEET paper. The night before the exam in a guest house in Patna, they are given the paper and said, "Ye lo, check it out and learn all the answers." The students then appear for the NEET exam on May the 5th, and all questions, unsurprisingly, are a 10-on-10 match. They are all there. Aspirants are charged up to 40 lakh rupees for access to this leaked paper and for passing the NEET examination. 40 lakh rupees per aspirant. And that gives you a sense of what the scale of this entire scam is. This is the anatomy of a paper leak in NEET 2024.
Paper leaks, protests, and now politics. A sensational Mantri Ji connect has emerged in the ongoing NEET paper leak row in Bihar. So who is the Mantri Ji? In a massive political twist to the investigation, an RJD link has emerged to the whole NEET paper leak controversy. BJP dropped a massive bombshell claiming that RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has links with the paper leak mastermind Sikandar Yadav.
तेजस्वी यादव के आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर रात्रि 9:07 में पथ निर्माण विभाग में कार्यरत NHI गेस्ट हाउस में सिकंदर कुमार जादवेंदु के लिए कमरे की बुकिंग कराने के लिए फोन आया था.
According to the BJP, it was Tejasvi's PA who got a government employee to book the state government's guest house for Kingpin Sikandar's meeting with students. The room was booked in the name of Mantri Ji.
प्रीतम जी ने हमको फ़ोन किया था जो सिकंदर कुमार के नाम से कमरा बुक कराने के लिए. फिर 1 तारीख को रात में फिर उन्होंने दोबारा 4 को कहा था. हमने कहा था रिक्वेशन के लिए, तो उन्होंने कहा रिक्वेशन उनके द्वारा दे दिया जाएगा. तो हमने अकॉर्डिंगली मैसेज वहाँ के कनीक विंदा कर दिया, उनको फ़ोन पर बता दिया.
While Tejasvi is yet to comment on these serious charges, his party has outrightly denied having any link to the paper leak accused.
एनडीए की सरकार, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हमेशा से माफियाओं को संरक्षण देने का काम करती है, और जिस प्रकार से माननीय तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव के पीए का नाम लिया जा रहा है, हम समझ रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल रूप से उनको फंसाने की एक साजिश की जा रही है. ये तो जांच का विषय है, जांच होनी चाहिए.
So who is this mastermind Sikandar Yadav, who is linked now to Tejasvi? It was an arrested NEET candidate Anurag Yadav's confession and the mention of a Mantri Ji which opened a Pandora's box in the paper leak scam. The NEET student confessed that the leak question paper given to him matched the actual exam paper. His confession letter, which India Today accessed, says clearly that the paper was given to him along with the answers. And who gave him the questions hours before the exam? His uncle and now the mastermind of this scam, Sikandar Yadav. With this massive political twist, the NEET mystery has become murkier. And the opposition is demanding answers from the government, with Rahul Gandhi leading the fight.
This is extremely damaging to students, and it's happening because all our institutions have been captured. Our vice chancellors are placed not based on merit, but because they belong to a particular organization. And this organization and the BJP have penetrated our education system and destroyed it.
As politics rages on, questions loom on whether the murky paper leak trail will be unraveled. With Aditya Vaibhav, Bureau Report, India Today.
And there has been a visible escalation in the protests today as well. Students are protesting in different parts of the country, student political groups as well. The Youth Congress, the left-wing students' union staged a stir on the streets of the national capital and called NEET the biggest education scam in the history of India. Similar scenes were seen in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, where students were seen staging protests over the cancellation of the UGC NET exam, which has now led to questions over whether integrity being compromised in the UGC NET exam, forcing the Education Ministry to pull the plug and cancel that exam. Does that not also apply to NEET? Is there going to be some kind of partial re-NEET or a complete re-NEET? What about students who don't want a re-exam because they've worked so hard? Will there be a surgical action or will there be a blanket action? We don't know just yet. But after last night's cancellation of the UGC NET, the fate of NEET hangs in the balance. Take a look.
Thousands of NET aspirants hoping to apply for the post of assistant professors in universities and colleges are outraged. Their anger spilling onto the streets. The reason? Scrapping of the national eligibility test within 24 hours of the exam being conducted.
19 जून को यूजीसी को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर के इंडियन साइबर क्राइम सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेशन सेंटर I4C से कुछ इनपुट मिले। उस इनपुट को प्राइमा फेसी देखने से मिनिस्ट्री को ये अपीयर हुआ कि देयर इज अ चांसेस दैट एग्जामिनेशन हैज बीन कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड। टू टेकिंग अ वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट एक्शन एंड विथ अ एम टू इंश्योर स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट, द मिनिस्ट्री हैज डिसाइडेड टू कैंसिल द एग्जामिनेशन।
The Education Ministry says that it received inputs about the integrity of the exam being compromised and has ordered a CBI probe.
कुछ ऑब्जेक्शंस आए हैं और ये ऐसे एग्जाम्स है जिसमें सैंक्टिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, तो हमारी सरकार सैंक्टिटी और करप्शन के साथ कभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज में मूड में रही है। इसलिए जो सवाल उठे हैं, इसलिए परीक्षा के सिस्टम के ऊपर सबका विश्वास रहे, इसलिए इसको कैंसिल किया गया।
The question then is, if NET exam was cancelled within 24 hours of doubts being raised, why hasn't the NEET 2024 exam been cancelled? The NEET paper leak charge is proving to be true, with a big racket being busted in Bihar. All the accused in the case have confessed that the NEET question paper was the same as they were made to prepare the night before. The big exam mess has triggered a political war. The opposition has declared an examination emergency.
जो हिंदुस्तान के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मैं जानता हूं कि आप इन एग्जाम्स के लिए महीनों सालों काम करते हो। ये आपका फ्यूचर है और आपके फ्यूचर से खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा है। जो हिंदुस्तान में पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं, उसको नरेंद्र मोदी रोक नहीं पा रहे हैं या रोकना नहीं चाहते हैं। दिस इज एक्सट्रीमली डैमेजिंग टू स्टूडेंट्स एंड इट्स हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑल आवर इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैव बीन कैप्चर्ड। आवर वाइस चांसलर्स आर प्लेस्ड नॉट बेस्ड ऑन मेरिट, but because they belong to a particular organization. And this organization and the BJP have penetrated our education system and destroyed it.
अब बताइए ना कितना बड़ा घोटाला है ये। 67 बच्चे 720 अंक पाके टॉप कर जा रहे हैं। एक ही सेंटर से 6 बच्चे टॉप कर जा रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने इस देश को पेपर लीक देश बना दिया है। नौजवानों की जिंदगी को बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। युवा मांगेंगे भीख, भाजपा के राज में होगा पेपर लीक।
लाखों युवाओं का जो भविष्य है, हाँ, जो संकट में है, चाहे नीट हो, चाहे नेट हो, चाहे और हो, सिर्फ रेडियो पे परीक्षा पे चर्चा करने से युवाओं का भविष्य ठीक नहीं रहेगा।
There's anger and there's outrage. But the big question is, does India's admission test system need a complete overhaul? Bureau Report, India Today.